Hello, good morning and welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany and if you're new here, hello, welcome. Today we are doing our 30 days of beauty and we are doing 3 days in a row. So I've missed the last 2-day uploads just because I wanted to do them all in one go because they're going to be super short again. So we are doing days 24, which is favourite eyeliner, 25, which is brows, and 26, which is today, and that is favourite body products. If you are new here to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe, and let's go through very quickly these last 3 days. Okay, so I'm going to do the first one, which is eyeliner, and I don't have a favourite eyeliner product as such because I just don't. This is one of my favourites, which is the Epic Ink Liner from NYX. This is a waterproof liner. However, it leaks for one. And that it will all of a sudden just leak for no reason. So it's not very practical as such. Right, I am going to do my eyeliner and I'm just going to show you how I generally do my eyeliner. I've got a mirror right in front of me here. I've got one in my hand as well, so I'll probably just use the one in front of me. Don't you start leaking. Right, and it's got, I don't know if you can see that, it's got a hair that's like gone AWOL and it's just stuck side. So when I do my eyeliner for like work or anything like that, I don't like to do a big wing or anything like that. So I'm pretty sure it's going to start leaking. I start in the middle of my eye there and go straight out. Yes, it has. Look. Can you see that there? So yeah, so you can see just there, look, and if I go boop, that, it really gets on my nerves when it does that, and I've been told that it's something that it does, which is something that I don't want it to do because it always does it while I'm trying to do my eyeliner. And then I just meet here. Doing it again drives me mad. I don't need this kind of stress while doing an eyeliner. And that's just how I do my eyeliner. And then this bit here, I literally do the thinnest, but I don't come all the way in. I literally just go there. Oh my gosh, and it's doing it again. See, look how much. That is not what I need in my day of trying to do my eyeliner. Right, this eye, I do it the opposite. So I do the line up first, just because, look at my eyes, they're not at all symmetrical. I don't think anyone's is. And to be perfectly fair, oh my gosh, do you see how stressful that makes doing your eyeliner, having to keep an eye on whether this stupid eyeliner is going to leak everywhere. I've done it before and it's gone all in my eye, which is definitely not what you need. this eye seems to be more hooded, and look, then that looks nothing like each other, but it will do, because as I said, they look nothing like each other. So that's it for those eyeliners. I'm just going to pop on some mascara and then we'll get to brows. Okay, so in regards to brows, I have recently uploaded a video and I've uploaded a shorts recently about how I shape my eyebrows. Yes, my eyebrows do need reshaping, but I'm toying with doing something a little different with them. So when I do, I will let you know. Other than that, my eyebrow routine, I don't even do this every day. So this is the Benefit Gimme Brow. I do love bushy eyebrows, which is lucky because that's what I got. And so I will just pop a little bit of this in. I generally just brush it through and brush it in the direction that the hairs go. That's all I do with my brows. When I shape them, I'm going to try, and I might go up here, so go a little bit more shorter to give me some extra lid space. So I'm just toying with that. I don't know, but I reckon I might go to about here, but I'll film it for you anyway. And the last one was favorite body product, was it? Favorite body product. I've also recently spoke to you about my favorite moisturizer for the body. I don't have a favorite body product as such. I just don't. So I will use whatever is at hand, really. I'll go to the shop, I'll buy a shower gel or a body wash, use that, might go and get another one of the same. If it smells like grapefruit, bonus, love grapefruit. But I don't have a favourite body product. I use moisturiser, I use the Garnier one that I showed you, as long as it makes me smell good and my skin nice, I'm not that bothered, really. I have not found a product that I'm like, yes, this is my absolute must, I need this forever in my life. I don't have that. So if you do, then please tell me, let me know what your actual go-to favourite body product is, because I don't have one. I might steal yours. Anyway, I am off to work. Got to get ready and go for the day. I hope you have an amazing day today. It's officially today, the 26th, here where I live, is officially the first day of the summer holidays for the children, and I'm working. Rubbish. Anyway, I will see you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.